Hi guys, so today we are taking a culinary journey to the heart of Punjab with a recipe for authentic Punjabi Mutton Masala. This rich and flavorful curry is a true celebration of Punjabi cuisine. Tender mutton pieces are slow cooked in a fragrant tomato based sauce infused with a blend of warm spices like ginger, garlic, and garam masala. Whether you are a fan of Indian food or looking to explore new flavors, this Punjabi Mutton Masala is a must try. I'll guide you through every step of the process from marinating the mutton to creating the perfect spice blend. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first take 1 kg mutton cut in medium pieces, add some salt to taste, add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoon lemon juice, then give it a nice mix. And marinate it for about 2 hours. Then to make the masala powder, in a hot pan add 2 tablespoon coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon black peppercorns, 2 black cardamom, 8 cloves, 1 tablespoon fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 2-inch cinnamon stick, and then dry roast it until the spices turn light brown. Spices will leave a nice aroma. As you can see, it's nice and light brown now. Then leave it aside and cool it down completely. Then take a mixer jar, add all the dry roasted spices and then blend it to a fine powder. So the masala powder is ready. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave it aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan add oil, add 3 tablespoon ghee or clarified butter, add 3 onions sliced and fry the onion until it is nice and light brown. Then add 2 green chilies, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and fry it for a minute. Then add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, half tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, and then fry the masalas for about 2 minutes. Let the masalas nicely cook with the onion. Then add 3 tomatoes chopped and fry the tomatoes until it is nice and soft. Then add the marinated mutton. Add 3 cups water. Make sure the mutton is nicely simmered in the water. Then give it a nice mix. And then cover it and cook it until the mutton is soft. Then give it a nice mix. And add the masala powder which was previously made. Add some salt to taste. Add 1 stock cube, 1 tablespoon dried kasuri methi, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and then give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook until the oil separates. As you can see that the oil is separated on the surface. Then give it a nice mix. Then add handful of chopped coriander leaves and then give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it for another 5 minutes on a low flame. And there you have it guys, a mouth-watering Punjabi mutton masala that's sure to impress your friends and family. Be sure to let me know in the comments below how you enjoyed this recipe. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more delicious recipes to come. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for Punjabi mutton masala as much as I enjoyed making it for you. It's a true celebration of Punjabi flavors. I hope you'll try this recipe at home and savor the incredible flavors. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.